In order to create a task within Cascade, go to the More menu in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click on More. Select Tasks. Click on Add a Task. Give your task a meaningful name. This is the name of the task that will show up on the My Content to the person you assign this task to. Add a brief description. And assign the user that is responsible for this task. Currently, I am the assigned user. By default, you will be the assigned user. But if your task is to have one of the content approvers for your website approve this content, you can click on this field, find another person or the appropriate person, and select their name. Then click Choose. For this task, I'm going to leave the task as myself. I can change the priority because, of course, everything is high priority. And I'll assign it a due date of today. Leave the related content field exactly as it shows up. This will create a link for the person responsible for the task to be able to link back to this page in order to approve it. Click Create. And that's it. The window will automatically show your created task with a date stamp. Now let's see what it looks like on the other end when you receive a task. You go to My Content, click on Tasks Assigned to Me, and you will see a list of all of the tasks that have been assigned to you by members of your content approval team. If you click on the name of the task, you will see the description, the status of the task, and who the assigned user, you, and the priority. If the contributor added comments, then those will show up in the description. You can then click on the related content, and that will take you directly to the page in question where you can publish or edit or just do nothing with this task. If there are additional changes that you need, you can add your comments here in this comment box and post a comment. The person who assigned this task to you will receive an email and a link to this task in order to read your comments and resolve the issue. Once they have done so, they can resubmit this task to you again or communicate via this communication comment system. You will receive an email when a task is assigned to you and when someone responds to a comment that you've made. That email will link you back to the task where you can go through the process once again of clicking on the related content, confirming the changes have been made to your satisfaction, and then approving them and publishing them online.